How to send audio message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, type in the name of the people you want to send the message to. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, go to the text bar below and tap on the audio icon beside it. You can now record an audio message from here. When you're done recording, tap on the stop button. And then, tap on the arrow button to send the message. Following these steps, you can easily send audio message on iPhone.